In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search a year in Google Calendar quickly and easily. If you've ever needed to find events from a specific year, whether it's for work, personal planning, or just looking back at past schedules, this simple method will save you a lot of time. And before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one calendar. Once Google Calendar loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. Click on that to open the search bar. Now, here's where the year search option becomes really useful. On the right side of the search box, you'll see a small down arrow or drop down icon. Click that arrow to open the advanced search filters. This gives you more control over what Google Calendar searches for, instead of just looking for event names or keywords. Inside the filter options, you'll want to focus on the date settings. Set the date filter options or choose a custom date range that covers the year you want to search. For example, if you want to find events from 2023, you can set the start date to January 1st, 2023, and the end date to December 31st, 2023. This tells Google Calendar to only show results from that year, which makes it much easier to find the exact event or appointment you need. If you want, you can also combine the year filter with a keyword search. That means you can search for a meeting title, a person's name, or even a project keyword, and still limit the results to one specific year. This is especially helpful if your calendar has lots of events and you don't want to scroll through everything manually. Once your date range is set correctly, go to the bottom of the filter box and click Search. Google Calendar will then scan your calendar entries and show you the matching results for that year. From there, you can click any event to view the details, make edits, or simply confirm the information you were looking for. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can search a year in Google Calendar without wasting time scrolling month by month. This is one of those small features that becomes incredibly useful once you know where to find it. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.